Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request a Costco price adjustment when an item you have purchased drops in price. Now, if the price of your eligible purchase drops within 30 days of the purchase date, you can definitely request a price adjustment from Costco. So in order to do it, first of all, simply come here on costco.com, then simply sign in into your account. Now over here, click on the option of orders and returns. Now over here you need to select the order containing the item and check whether the lower promotional price is already reflected. Now if it isn't, you can use the option of request a price match, and then you can just simply submit the required order and the item information. For an item the purchased inside a Costco warehouse, you can visit the returns counter at the same warehouse where you have made the purchase, and you can ask for a price adjustment. Just keep in mind that Costco only adjusts the price when the lower price qualifies under its current promotion. Costco doesn't price match against other retailers, and a Costco.com price isn't matched to a lower warehouse price because online pricing can include shipping and handling. So you need to keep this thing in mind. Thanks for watching.